And let's give it a try. Vanilla Haagen-Dazs ice cream with olive oil and sea salt. Oh, that is a very unique flavor. So the other day I was watching a video of this Italian guy who owns a restaurant called Panini Grill out in New York, making this ice cream where he took three ingredients. He took vanilla Italian gelato, he took some orange flavored olive oil and some sea salt, combined that together and called it a dessert and ate it. And apparently he loved it. So I want to try that and see how it is, except I am not going to be using Italian gelato. I'm going to be using Haagen-Dazs vanilla ice cream, and I'm going to use this extra virgin olive oil from Trader Joe's and this sea salt right here. Let's do it. Olive oil, and sea salt. And let's give it a try. Vanilla Haagen-Dazs ice cream with olive oil and sea salt. Oh, that is a very unique flavor, but it's actually good. Oh, that sea salt really helps give it a contrast in the taste. That is pretty good. Man, these Italians, how do they come up with this stuff? Who would have thought to take some Italian gelato, or in my case, some ice cream, add some olive oil to it and some sea salt, and it actually tastes pretty good. That is incredible. That is what I call creativity. That is taking things that may not combine well together, or you wouldn't think to want to combine together, and actually combining them together to make something great. Amazing.